up, guys and gals? It's your boy Twinkie. I'm back. I know it's been a while. I'm on Black Betty again, and we're going cruising. We're heading back to my old hometown to visit an old friend who's also a YouTuber, Adventurango. Yes, we are going down to visit him because he got a bike. From what I've heard, it's a 96 Honda Shadow. It's an 1100. It looks promising, and it sounds alright. Sounds like it's at least a decent starter bike. Maybe a little higher on the power, but hey, go big or go home, right? You gotta love my 1500 right here. So like I said, I know it's been a while. It's supposed to be super nice today. You gotta watch out for them tar snakes. Scrub-a-dub-dub, 2 tires on the rub. So I did a little upgrading since my last video. I have replaced my headlight with an LED headlight, courtesy of Mr. Ryan McClellan. I have also incorporated a charging device into my right side saddlebag. So now I can charge batteries and other electronic devices while I'm on the ride. Which means the only thing I'm limited to now would be my recording time. So I might have to get a few more SD cards. Staying alive, staying alive, ha, 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 staying alive. Howdy, 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 howdy. Howdy, 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 howdy. I told you it's a beautiful day today. There's a lot of people on the road. Here's a Honda for sale. Whoop, we got some mud here. Oh shit, here's a big one. Howdy to y'all. Alright. See, it don't matter. It don't matter if you're tough as nails and in a gang, or if you're some little fruitcake called Twinkie riding on a bikey named Black Betty. If you're on 2 wheels, 3 wheels, whatever, the brotherhood is the same. Hell yeah, look at all, hey! Woo! Alright! There's a lot of people out. Somebody's burning some oil. Howdy, howdy. Fly like an eagle. Howdy, 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 howdy. What's that?
Hey, buddy.
How you doing?
Good, good. This is the Shadow.
Yay! Not a bad little bike. He let me take it around the block earlier. So as you can see, Mr. Ryan joined me. We're gonna go cruise. I think we're gonna go up through French Creek State Park. Take a little ride up through there. I gotta be in Bechtelsville around like 6, so I'm gonna be heading up that way. He's gotta be in Burnville around that time. So we're gonna split off sometime after that, but we'll see. I told Ryan he can lead. We'll go wherever he wants to go. We're not gonna see where the road takes us. We're gonna see where the Ryan takes us. Mr. Pat went home. He can't really ride his bike because it's not registered. So he can't ride right now. So he went home. Howdy, howdy. It's been a while since I've been out this way. That's for sure. perfect. Well, we had a nice little break there. Unfortunately, the vending machines weren't working, so we couldn't get any cold drinks. But I had some warm water, so may not be cold, may not be the best, but hey, it's hydration. So Ryan and I are heading back. Once we get into town, we're gonna split ways. I'm gonna go one way, he's gonna go the other way. I'm gonna start heading up towards Bechtelsville. He's gonna start heading up towards Burnville. I'm going up to Bechtelsville to go visit an old friend. He got a new apartment, so he's having a housewarming today. So I'm gonna drop in and hang out with him for a little bit, see how he's doing, have some fun, and then head on home. Wow.
Oh, you put me off.
All right, man.
Oh, nice. You put me off, dude.
I didn't see it. Ride safe. All right. So Ryan said that lady flipped him off. Howdy, howdy. Howdy, howdy. Ding, ding. Church bells ringing. Howdy, howdy. Howdy, howdy. Oh my God. This new LED light is beautiful. You need to turn it down just a little bit, but that's low beam. That's high beam. Heck yeah, man. Thank you, Ryan. Alright, so as you can tell, it's definitely a bit later. Hung out for a little while. It was good to see the old buddy of mine and meet a couple new people. This is like so much better than the old halogen bulb I had. But my saddlebag charger has been proving to work very well, which is awesome. I've done quite a bit of riding today. Oh, I was supposed to turn back there. Whoops. Alright, so we added like 2 minutes. Why is there so much traffic at 10:30 at night? Well guys, that pretty much wraps up today's video. Nothing spectacular happened, but I had some fun. If you liked what you saw, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon notification button. This way you're notified when my next video comes out. Until next time, thanks for watching. Peace out.